Hi, in tutorial 3 of limits, we will look at more examples on the existence of limit of a function. The first questions want you to determine the value of c if the limit of fx equal to negative 2 for x approaches to 0 from the left side. Please do take note that for this question, the limit is only for x approaches to 0 from the left side because there's a negative right on top of 0. So we just want to know what is the function from the left of 0. But to determine what is the function from the left of 0, the easiest way is you can simply draw your number line. Remember, this is a number line, so you have to write the numbers from your domain starting from the smallest number to the largest number. So the only number that you have on your domain is 0 and 2. Okay? And then look at your function one by one. The first function is x cubed minus c. And it is from the left of 0. And there's equal sign there. So that means it's dense at 0 and to the left. The function is x cubed minus c. Write it on top of this green line. Next function is between 0 and 2. But there's no equal sign at 0 and 2, so it's empty circle there. Write a line right between 0 and 2. Why is it a line there? Because x is between 0 and 2. What should we write on top of that line? It's the function which is ax squared plus b. And then we have the last function, which is x greater than 2. And there's equal sign there, so that means it's dense and it goes to the right of 2. What is the function? It is 2x plus 2. Write it on top of that blue line. Moving on to question A. Determine the value of c if this information is given. So write down with the information first. And then look at your number line and determine what is the function from the left of 0. This is the left of 0. So the function, the nearest function to the left of 0 is x cubed minus 3. Substitute fx function with x cubed minus c. And then on the right side, still write equal to negative 2 because we already know what is the value of that limit. Next, what should you do is the same steps as before. Substitute your x with the value 0. So substitute x with value 0 and the rest just follow. And then after that, 0 power 3 is just 0 minus c is just negative c. So the answer for c is positive 2. You have answered for question A. What about B? B is to determine the value of A and B if the limit of fx as x approaches to 0, and then also for this function as well. Right, so the keyword for question B to find A and B is the word exists. Remember, whenever we know that a limit value exists, it means that the value of that limit from the left side and the right side must equal. So you can start by writing that formula from the first step. Like this. So since we know that limit of fx as x approaches to 0 exists, so the limit from the left and right side of 0 must equal. You can write that first step. Next, the limit of fx as x approaches 0 from the left side here is already given in question A, which is negative 2. You can substitute that value with negative 2. Next, what you can do is solving the right side, which is finding what is the function from the right side of 0. From the right side of 0, the function is, as you can see, the nearest function from the right side of 0 is ax squared plus b. So replacing your fx with ax squared plus b. And then remember, the next step is to substitute your value of x, which is 0, into the x. And whenever you substitute your value of x, the lim word goes. write down 0 here. A times 0 is just 0 and plus b. The value of b is negative 2. But that's not enough because the question wants us to find what is the value of a and b. And there's one more information that we have not used. And that information is limit of fx as x approaches to 2 exists. Now, since the limit of fx as x approaches to 2 exists, we can use this definition where the limit from the left side of 2 is equal to the limit from the right side of 2. Then look at your number line. From the left of 2 and from the right of 2, we have two different functions. So we have to separate this. Now, replace the function from the left side of 2 with the one that you see on your number line. So the nearest function from the left side of 2 is ax squared plus b. Substitute fx with ax squared plus b. And then on the right side of 2, we also have to determine what is the function that we have to substitute. And the function nearest to the right of 2 is 2x plus 2. Replace your fx with 2x plus 2. The next step is to substitute the value of x, which is 2, into your x. Remember, when you have substituted your value of x into that function, the word lim is no longer there. What is your value on the left side? When you simplify this, you should get 4a. And what is b? You have found the value of b previously, so you can use that. And on the right side, your value is 6. So simplify this, and your answer for a is 2. And then you are done answering question A and B. Try out the other examples. Thank you for watching.